To create a recipe on Saffron, go to this nutrition menu on the main screen and select Recipes. From the Recipes home screen, on the top bar, next to Close, select New. Here you'll be asked to enter 3 types of information: your recipe code, your description, and the yield. For your recipe code, please ensure this is named under your customer code for our references. When you create your recipe, set your subgroup to Recipes. And over on the right, select Create. As you can see now, the recipe has been made for us, and now all we need to do is add in our ingredients. So under the Ingredients tab, over on the right, we're going to select New and tab over to the Product section. And this will be where you enter your creed codes. Once you've entered in your creed code, press tab and enter in the amount of that ingredient you will be using. Make sure you add in the unit of measurement. Once you've added all of your ingredients into your recipe, you can go onto the Method tab and enter in a method. Once you've added in your method and your ingredients, click the Save icon to save your recipe. When you create your recipe, make sure you go over to the FOP tab and select FOP No Weight Loss. This is to ensure that your nutritional traffic light report comes out in colours. So when you make a recipe, there are 3 types of reports you can do. One is full recipe detail, full recipe with traffic lights, and recipe with allergens. Today I will show you how to pull these 3 reports and what they look like. So on this top toolbar here, we're going to select this drop down menu and select full recipe detail. And over on the right, we're going to click this report button. And what this report will do, it will show us the total cost and the cost per portion, the cost per item, and the nutritional values, allergens and sub-allergens of the recipe as well as the method. When you pull this report, you are able to download it as a PDF or print it off, as well as exporting it as an Excel document. Another report you can do is full recipe with traffic lights. So going back to this drop down menu, you're going to go to full recipe with traffic lights and again selecting that report button. This report will also show you the total cost and the cost per portion, as well as your cost per item and nutritional values, and it will also show you your nutritional traffic lights. And this is where it's important to select that FOP No Weight Loss button. As you can see down here, we have got all of the colours in our recipe traffic light report. If you do not select the FOP No Weight Loss button on your recipe, this will show up in black and white. The final report I will show you is recipe with allergens. So again, from the drop down menu, we're going to select recipe with allergens and press report. This report is a table which highlights the allergens for the whole recipe and then breaks it down per ingredient. So on this top line, it shows you all of the allergens in the recipe, and then per ingredient you can see where those allergens are specifically.